Hey guys, it's that time of year for our teacher giveaway at Thanksgiving. We give a free air conditioning system away to a school teacher or school administrator. If you teach at any of the public schools here in Albany or at Code Academy in Lakeland, please go to your office. We have a sign-up sheet. And if you're in our maintenance program as a club member, your name will automatically be entered in. So be prepared. We're going to do the drawing for the free giveaway this year. This is our 8th year of saying thank you for all that you do for the next generation. Have a great day.